Lint contamination is a peril to U.S. cotton. The threat exists not only for the textile industry, but also for the raw cotton side of the industry. The total cost of cotton contamination is immeasurable. Textile mills worldwide have invested an estimated $200 million on equipment that looks for contaminants. Unfortunately, detection equipment is not 100% effective. Machines miss many common materials, particularly when they are roughly the same color as cotton. While mills have invested millions in equipment, it only decreases the risk. It does not account for the value of broken contracts, lost business, or shaken confidence in a trusted supplier. Yarn contaminants are first detected at fabric inspection. This is a costly place to find defects, for by this time, foreign matter from one cotton bale has tainted thousands of yards of fabric. But it is even more costly to discover flaws after garments are made. It makes men's shirts like these virtually worthless. Contamination finds its way into cotton in many forms. Suspects are baling twine, poly pipes, module covers, shopping bags, sewing twines, ditch liners, clothes, sugar, and honeydew. Foreign materials appear as defects in the finished fabric. This blemish is about an inch long. Sometimes they are smaller. No matter how big or small, consumers refuse to accept them. Defects can take the form of colored plastic, or, in the case of darker fabrics, light-colored contaminants are the concern. These flaws are consistent with material used in shopping bags that too often litter roadsides. Polypropylene and other twines used as module tie-downs represent another serious risk. Baling twine used around farms or gins can make thousands of yards of fabrics worthless. Grease or oil in cotton not only stains the fibrils themselves, but migrates into the yarns. This blemish cannot be removed. Rubber picker Doffers can be a source of black specks. Picker manufacturers equip their machines with non-contaminating Doffers. Unfortunately, there may still be some black Doffers sold in the aftermarket. Some defects are consistent with module covers. When these materials are left in fields, they are picked up by strippers or pickers and mixed with seed cotton. Fibrils from clothing left around seed cotton are also a problem. When clothing, whether a shirt, jacket, gloves, or bandana, is left near cotton or machinery, it gets shredded and chopped into tiny pieces. Like weeds in a cotton field, nylon, acrylic, polyester, and even dyed cotton can be serious problems. Honeydew and insect sugars on bowls get into the lint and cling to the processing equipment. Sticky cotton can stop a textile mill. Surveys show that plastic represents about a third of the cotton contaminants. Apparel fiber represents another third, with the remainder coming from sand, rust, jute, and various articles of hardware. Mills from around the world report that contamination is one of the biggest hurdles faced by spinners. Knitters and weavers face potential claims on every sale. That's why our customers are so concerned when there are hidden hazards in cotton bales. The solution is prevention. Farmers, ginners, and others must use good housekeeping practices in fields, gins, warehouses, and around transportation equipment. Keep watch over cotton fields. Remove materials that are carried or blown into fields. Clean pickers and stripper heads. Foreign matter can mingle with seed cotton and pollute an entire module. Scout for aphids and whiteflies. These pests cause yield loss, but they also secrete honeydew, which remains on the lint. Honeydew and other sugars will devastate a textile mill. Remind harvest crews to monitor module construction carefully. Modules should be placed far from any potential contaminants. When module covers are beyond repair, throw them away. Torn fabrics are a big hazard. Stray fabrics can get into the gin and become shredded into pieces that escape early detection. Don't use plastic for module tie-downs. Wherever possible, use cotton cord. Use common sense and always be on the lookout for contaminants. Treat them like the hazard they are. Remove them from the workplace. Use only packaging materials on USDA's approval list and keep bales fully covered during storage. Contamination prevention starts with proactive growers, knowledgeable harvest crews, and alert ginners. Make an effort to train farm and gin employees on the importance of pure, clean cotton. The National Cotton Council provides educational materials on request so you can help prevent lint contamination. Competitive world markets mandate that the U.S. cotton industry deliver pure cotton. We applaud our industry for accepting this challenge. We have good packaging. We have first-class communication tools for education and training. And we have effective local organizations to deliver that message. But it still takes the commitment of our farmers, our ginners, our warehouse men, and the rest of the raw cotton industry working together to deliver clean, pure, contamination-free cotton to our mill customers.